Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to do decreases with crochet. So I'm going to talk about decreases in general, and then I'm going to tell you how to make this square for our project, which is basically like a mitered square using decreases. So a crochet decrease just means that you're working one stitch where there used to be two. So you're combining two stitches or more into one. So this is double crochet. You can do decreases with basically any type of stitch. So for a double crochet decrease, I'm just going to work one plain double crochet first. So for a double crochet decrease, I'm going to start the same. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull that loop through, so I've got 3 loops on my hook, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now I'm not going to finish this stitch, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to start working a double crochet in the next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through a loop. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. So that's just the normal first part of a double crochet, but now I have 3 loops on my hook, and 2 of those are partially completed double crochets. So now I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So I have 1 extra loop because I went through 1 extra stitch. Maybe your pattern says double crochet 3 together. You could do that. You yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2, leave that loop on your hook. Now yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull through, and pull through 2. I'm going to leave that on my hook. I'm going to do the next one, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2. So now I've got 4 loops on my hook. Normally I would have 2 for a double crochet, but I went through 2 extra stitches. So I go up until the last step, but I don't pull through on the last step. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4 of those. I just did a double crochet 3 together. You can do decreases with other stitches too. If I had a pattern that said single crochet 2 together or SC 2 together, then I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, but I'm not going to finish it. This is the last step of the stitch. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. I'm going to yarn over and pull through both, or all 3 loops. So that's a single crochet 2 together. So I did 2 stitches, combined them together in a single crochet. So now you can see my fabric is bending in because I have fewer stitches in this row than I did in the last row. And what if I wanted to do triple crochet 3 together? A triple crochet 3 together would be yarn over twice, like a triple crochet normally would be, or let's just do a triple crochet 2 together. And insert in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, so that's just normal. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops, but I'm not going to do the last step. I'm going to stop before the last step. Now I'm going to work most of a triple crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. And I know for this class we haven't actually done triple crochet yet, so I'm going to stop before the last step. Now I'm going to pull through all 3 loops to finish a triple crochet 2 together. To do a modified triple crochet decrease, sometimes when I use a triple crochet decrease, I don't want to have as much bulk in my pattern, so I do what I would call a modified triple crochet decrease. For the modified triple crochet decrease, I'm going to yarn over twice, insert in the next hook, or in the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then insert in the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through 3. So I'm pulling through my extra loop at the beginning instead of working most of the stitch and pulling through at the end. And then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So that is a modified triple crochet decrease. I'm just going to show you the regular triple crochet decrease to compare what they look like. So a regular triple crochet decrease, I'm going to insert, and now I'm going to work all the way until the last step, so I'm not going to finish it, and I'm going to do the next one all the way until the last step. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 3. So you can see how they look different. This is my modified triple crochet decrease, and this is a regular triple crochet decrease. They both decrease, but they look very different, right? So depending on your pattern, if it just says triple crochet decrease, this would be it, or a triple crochet 2 together. But I kind of like this one sometimes. So it's just a variation on a decrease, and I encourage you to play with that. So we just talked about decreasing, and now I'm going to show you how to do a mitered square with decreases. So in this example, you start with a big long chain, and every row you decrease. So in this particular square, we're decreasing 4 stitches every row, and this is worked with double crochet. So I'm going to do kind of a small sample just so you get the idea of how it works. So I'm going to start with a multiple of 4 stitches. I did a chain of 16 for this one. And now I'm going to work 3 chains, which counts as my first double crochet. And I'm going to skip that first stitch, and I'm going to double crochet in the next one. Now, because I started with 16 stitches, I'm going to have 5 double crochet and then my first decrease. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, if I wanted this to look nicer, I could work in that back bump of the chain, but I don't feel like it right now, so I'm not gonna. And again, I'm using a size H crochet hook and Karen's Simply Soft yarn for this sample. Okay, so I have 5 double crochet, and now I'm gonna work a double crochet 3 together to decrease. So I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook, pull through, stop, and do the next one. So now I've done 3 stitches, 3 double crochets all the way up to the last step. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now I'm going to do a double crochet decrease again. So see how my project is starting to turn? And then I'll have 5 double crochet. I'm going to do my turning chain. Now instead of 5 double crochet, I'm only going to have 3 because I just decreased by 2 on each side. So that's 1, 2, 3. Now my decrease, I double crochet 3 together, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then another double crochet 3 together, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochet to finish off the row. Turning chain, and we're coming up on the end here. So now I'm already ready for my decrease. I just had 1 double crochet, and now I'm ready for my double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3, then my other double crochet 3 together, and then a double crochet in my turn chain. And now I'm on my last row. So I'm going to do my turn chain, but I'm only going to do it 2 tall instead of 3 tall. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter just for my very tip of my corner. I'm going to turn, I'm going to double crochet 3 together with my last 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to pull through all 4. And I make that turn chain just 1 stitch shorter on this row just because I think it makes it a little less bulky. So this is the corner of my mitered square. I started the bigger square with 48 stitches to make it a 6 by 6 inch square, but you can make it whatever size you want. Just start it with a multiple of 4 stitches so that you end up being able to decrease by 4 stitches every time. So that is how to do a double crochet mitered square with decreases. If you want to see the version with increases, check out the next video. Happy crocheting! Don't forget to subscribe.